In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer images and art in Microsoft Word. Layering images and artwork is a powerful way to make your documents visually engaging, whether you are designing flyers, creating presentations, preparing posters, or simply enhancing a report with overlapping visuals. Microsoft Word provides several tools to arrange multiple images, shapes, and illustrations so that they appear exactly how you want them, giving your layout depth and professionalism. To get started, insert the first image or artwork by navigating to the Insert tab and selecting Pictures. You can choose a file from your computer or an online source. Once the image is added, click on it to select it. Next, either click the Layout Options icon that appears near the top right corner of the image or right-click and choose Wrap Text. Select a wrapping style, such as In Front of Text or Tight. These options allow you to freely move the image without interfering with the rest of your content, giving you complete control over placement. To add more layers, repeat the process with additional images or shapes. Select each new element and position it by dragging it across the page. You can also resize or rotate each piece to match your design vision. This flexibility allows you to create complex compositions that look professional and well-organized. Controlling which images appear on top is essential. Right-click the selected image and choose either Bring to Front to place it above other elements or Send to Back to move it behind them. These options are also available under the Picture Format or Drawing Tools tab, depending on your Word version. Using these tools, you can layer multiple elements in the precise order you need. For more precise control, you can select multiple images at once by holding the Shift key, then use the Group function to combine them. Grouping makes it easier to move and adjust several objects together while preserving their layered arrangement. Layering works not only with images, but also with text boxes, shapes, and smart art graphics. You can stack these elements, adjust transparency or color effects, and use Word's alignment guides to ensure everything is neat, balanced, and properly spaced. Finally, always review your design in Print Layout view. Layered elements can sometimes overlap unexpectedly if wrapping or placement isn't configured correctly, so a careful check before printing or sharing is highly recommended. By following these steps, you can create visually dynamic and professional-looking layouts with multiple layers of images and artwork directly within Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.